hello to my subscribers, family, friends. Good morning. It's an early morning for me today, and I have groceries delivered around 4 a.m. I don't have to wake up for it to be received. They just leave it in our doorstep. So let's take them first before I start cooking for you today. Okay? Oops. Here's my groceries. Oh. Let me just take them and arrange them. It's quite a lot because I ordered a few more things because it's my friend's birthday tomorrow and I volunteered to cook. So I'm just gonna segregate them first before I start cooking. Yeah, and oh, I didn't mention what we are going to cook today. We're going to make vegan Thai green curry. Yay! See you later. I have my vegetables ready here. Since we're making Thai green curry, I'm just going to prepare the vegetables and slice them. Most especially the curry part, we are going to blitz them. So I'm gonna show you what I'm going to use today. Like when I use, when I cook green curry, sometimes it varies. Sometimes I use other vegetables and whatever is available. So this is what I'm gonna do today. So as you can see here is what I'm going to blitz. We will make this into the curry, our mix. So I have my lemongrass, I have coriander, green chilies, lime, galangal or blue ginger, and some Thai red chilies for heat. I have kaffir lime leaves, and to make it more greener and richer and nutritious, I'm going to use malunggay, or we call it, or moringa in English. Yeah. And then for my vegetables, I'm just going to use whatever left on the fridge, and I have here, I think long beans, I have young corn, carrots, and some greens too. So let's cook. Already ready to make our vegan green curry. So this is my own recipe, and before I used to make Thai green curry with those ready-made paste. So since we're on the road to more mindful eating, healthy living, I want to reduce using processed food. So I made my own green curry paste. It's this one, the vegetable that I introduced to you earlier. I blitz. This is a little bit liquidy because I needed some help to blitz it out because I didn't use my processor. I was a bit lazy to take that out, but it will work. Okay, so because we're going to place coconut milk here, and I want the flavors to be synchronized, I'm going to use coconut oil, 1/2 tablespoon. My portion is just for 2 persons, so this one over here I showed to you, there's like a whole one bunch of malunggay or moringa. So I just used a handful of moringa in here. Going to saute some garlic. Onions and ginger. So others like maybe other recipes, they include this in the paste. I just choose not to because I still this kind of vegetable I want it in chunk. So as you can see, my onion is sliced big, my garlic is a little bigger, and ginger. So I'm not looking to disintegrate them. This will be part of my vegetable where you can eat them too. They're very nutritious. Yeah? I'm not going to wait for the onions to be translucent. Like translucent completely. Just a little bit. Because I want it chunky. Yeah? And then after that, we are going to place our green curry paste. Wow. Ooh, it smells really good. Again, you can be very creative in your green curry paste. Like earlier this week, I made green curry for my friends who visited here, and I used kale that time. So right now, I use moringa, both nutritious, and the rest of the spices and vegetables, 5 flavors. So we just let it cook a bit, let it simmer before we place the coconut milk, and then the rest I will place the vegetables. So what I have are it really smells so good. What I have long beans over here. I have carrots. I thought of putting carrots because of its besides of its nutrition. The color is really nice contrast with all the greens that we have here. And I have young corn. That's it. And then I will put some leaves. I forgot what this is called, but I will put in the description in this video. Okay, now it's simmered and boiling. Let's put the heat into medium high. I'm going to place my coconut milk, which is the light one, 30% less fat. You can also get the fresh grated coconut and squeeze your own coconut milk, but it's just that I didn't have time today, and I found this product that has less fat, 30%, and I feel like it's really good in my dishes because it's really light, it's not too creamy, and they use a little bit of coconut water. So as you can see, it's really beautiful green, very creamy. So while it simmers, we can place our vegetables already that fast. The only the main prep of this is really your curry paste, which is still very easy because you only need to blend them. I haven't put any salt yet. I will be placing later. And at this stage I'm putting a little bit of lime. I also place lime juice in the curry paste when I blended it. So we'll just wait for the vegetables to cook. They basically cook almost the same time. And my carrots are not very big slices, so it should cook. Let me get some salt over here. So I'm going to use the salt. I'm not putting any fish sauce here because most Thai dishes use fish sauce, so I'm choosing not to. Because I'm trying to reduce my salt intake, and there's too much salt for me if I already put fish sauce. And I want the smell of the spices that we use to really take over, not the fish sauce. But you can choose to put in, maybe choose fish sauce, not salt. Choose one. I'm just going to taste our curry and see if I needed more salt here. It's very rich and nutritious, guys. You don't need any other flavor enhancers. Yum. I just need a little bit more. So basically for this portion, 1/2 tablespoon. That's it. We'll just wait for a few minutes, about 2 to 3 minutes, to cook our vegetable over here. Let's not overcook our vegetable. And then it's time to put our additional leaves. Okay, that vegetable is ready. And we will place this one. Again, I'm going to place in the description in the video what kind of vegetable, leafy vegetable this is. So this is quite big. Let me just put it into half. Okay, the rest are small. I like this one. It's I like this kind of leafy vegetable. I like using this one because it's not the bitter kind, although it's very green. Let's just leave it that way. No need to mix. It will cook in a minute. And let's just close that. And then we'll come back after a minute. Thai green curry. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and subscribe.